sound is means when anything is set into vibration. Anything, whenever it is set into vibration, they will produce sound. Suppose an object is set into vibration. Suppose a bell. So here is a duster. You see this is the duster, right? You can see this is duster. It doesn't have any sound. So we cannot hear any sound from the duster, okay? So now I am striking it. So when I strike this duster, you can hear some sound. So how it happens? So this we are going to explain it today, that what is sound, how it is produced. So this particular sound you see, so when I have struck this duster, this particular object, this portion of the object was set into vibration. So as this is set into vibration, then the sound is produced. So this is how the sound is produced. In this way, now আমরা যে কথা বলি, এই যে আমরা কথা বলি, তুমি আমাকে শুনছো, তোমরা কথা বলো, আমি তোমাদের শুনছি। তার মানে কি, যখন একটা বাস যাচ্ছে, একটা মোটর ভেহিকেল যাচ্ছে, হোয়াটএভার, এখানে আমাদের চারিপাশে যা যা আছে, যা কিছু আছে, দেখো, we can hear the sound. We can identify different sounds here. Suppose some people are talking, and some people they have played the CD player. Some